Assalamu alaikum guys. Now you can see I'm in the new place and this place is unknown for me. I just came here. It's from my place. It's far. It's the far distance because I'm here. Like I went somewhere for the invitations and now I just like I just stay outside and I'm enjoying the natures and I often go this kind of place where it's natural beauty because I love nature as you guys and you guys already aware to watch my video already. That's why no need to describe about my interest or how I connected with nature. So now this is master flowers. This time I have already made a video that's about some topic. I think you will be able to see and you will easily notify that topic that I made. Now I gonna go because today is Jummah day and I have to go mosque. It's probably the 12, it's like here 12:20 maybe. That's why I have to go like towards home because of the prayers, which is really valuable work today of me because I need to obey Almighty Allah's rules by praying and this time I gonna show you that is here, though it's unknown place. That's why I don't know. There's everything, but whenever I am in natural place at that time, I always like I can say that I admire myself that yes, I think I know every place is because the place is known. I am familiar with nature. Anywhere I go, I always finding the natural place, especially I feel like comfortable on field because in this field the farmers they are harvesting and they are growing crops here from here and produce they are cultivating crops here, which is significant part of our life, and except crops we cannot get our rice or whatever any food we cannot think of except crops. So this is essential part of life. We should also respect our farmer and they are working harder and I love them. So, and now I'd like to go towards home that I mentioned before and some farmer is going over there. Sometimes they are look at like they are looking at my activities because they are thinking how I don't know. They are thinking I think about myself I'm crazy or someone there because I just hanging in phone in front of me and I'm talking English and they have some curiosity and I noticed that I also enjoy this thing. People how they think about me, about my I can say activities matter, but I'm saying of them positive. If they can understand, they will admire me. They will, I think, they will be really surprised. They will be happy. This is so exciting thing, though. It doesn't matter what they are thinking, but I should share this vibe. So you can see this is full of bliss, bliss type of area, which is so amazing area. So okay guys, bye, Allah Hafiz. Keep practicing, never fluctuate from your own path and happy learning. Allah Hafiz. Bye.